Today I'm going to install this Surestop. Where I'm going to work is on this road. Like there's a falling tree on the road. Imagine. Though, by the way, I got this from Screwfix for about £62. Quite expensive. That's why I'm sure a lot of people haven't, gone for this option already. Compared to the normal Stopcocks, they are quite expensive. To the wall. Okay, you boxed it in, yeah? That's the box on the pipe work.
Yeah, a box job type thing.
Yeah. I need to cut this wood off first. This wood. So I've cut the wood to make access to this pipe. That's where I'm going to install this Surestop. Then bring the wire up and then put it here. So as you know, before we cut the pipes, we have to isolate supply. External stopcock. Because the internal stopcock is not working. Off now. So basically you should cut 55mm allowance for the stopcock or the Surestop. Here, if you look, that's the direction of the flow. So this one is coming from down to up. So when you install it like that, stopcock is in. Just need to route the wire. Install the switch here. So, stopcock is in there. I'll pull the cable through the back there. Pull it from this board, making sure polarity is in place. I'm gonna turn the switch now. Open, test. So the switch is on. Stopcock is on. Surestop installation. Taps are running. Turn it off from here.